Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I am going to give you a complete beginner's guide to Google Slides in 2025. Whether you are creating a school presentation, a business pitch or a slideshow for YouTube, this step-by-step tutorial will help you master Google Slides first. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, we divided this video into 7 steps. So the first step will be accessing Google Slides. So to access Google Slides, you just need to visit on workplace.google.com, or you can just search here Google Slides. Once you search it, then you will get this Google Slide option over here. Into the first thing, just click over here, and then you will eventually get this kind of an interface where you will see build beautiful presentation together. Then you just need to be signed in. Make sure you have or you sign in with your Google account. Just click on sign in. Once you click over here, now here you can see we already redirect to this interface. This is interface. As you can see, this is some couple of sample design we already have. So if you want to start from blank, just click on the blank presentation option to create a new presentation, or you can choose a template from the gallery if you want a head start. So I'm going to click both. First of all, I'm click on blank, then again I will click on a template, so you can find out the differentiation between these two. Here you can see this is the difference between, this is the slide. We have this couple of design over here, like almost 10 pages, total 10 slides. So in blank page you can give a name over here, that will be content slides. Then you need to be understanding the, like you need to have understanding about the interface. Like here you can see the interface, we have couple of options here. So the left panel shows the slide thumbnail. In the left panel you can see this one, it is called slide thumbnail. Then next, the main area is where you design your slide. This one is the main section, the main area where you can do your design, like whatever design you do. Then at the top you have the toolbar. As you can see, this is the toolbar in the top, and with the text, shape and image, etc. you will find out here. As you can see, file, edit, view, insert, format and many more. Then use the slide menu to add, delete or duplicate slides. So you can use the slide so to delete or do whatever you want. And let's give you tips in this section, that is use Ctrl plus G if you are using Windows, like Ctrl plus Z to undo, and use Ctrl plus D to duplicate. Just click on Ctrl and D, and as you can see it has been duplicated. So here let's click on here, as you can see it's become duplicated. So now let's go ahead with the step 3, that is adding text and titles. So here they already mentioned that click to add title. So click of any text box to type. You can format the text using the toolbar, like you can change font size, bold, colors or alignment. Let me give you an example. So here I'm going to give a title, that will be how to use slide. And here if you want to change the font, you are allowed to do it. Here we have all the necessary things. Here you can see this is the font. I am going to use this Poppins over here. So find out the Poppins, or you can click on more fonts and search for Poppins. Here you can see this is the Poppins, and just click over here and click on open, and it will be implemented on the text. Then you can change, or you can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can underline it, or you can change the font size. So you have all the access to do it. And then you can add subtitle over here. You can insert a new text box using the text box icon. So here I'm going to select this one and let's duplicate it, or you can click on templates. You will get couple of template option over here. You can use it for your design. Then let's go to the next step, that is changing themes and background. So here what your slides to look better, like you can click on theme on the right of the top menu. Here you can see the theme, you will find out this theme. Just click over here and then you need to be choose from Google's free design. Here you can see in the right corner we have theme option. In this presentation you can use couple of theme we have. You can use this one, it's become so much good looking right now. You can also go to background to change color image, to set your own image or slide color. Let me give you another pro tip around this. You can use Canva or slide go to import beautiful custom template to using as a slide. Next let's go ahead and talk about step 5, that is inserting image shapes and chart. To insert image you just need to be click insert. In here in the top toolbar you will find out this insert, and here you will get option like call, image, then text box, shape and building blocks and whatever. You can see that we have couple of many options. Then you can just add whatever you want for your design. You can add text box on here. Here you can see you can rewrite anything in that panel. So I hope you understand it. This one is really helpful for you. Let's talk about step 6, that is slide transition and animations. So to add animation effect you just need to click on transition in the toolbar. So it is really visible here. Here you can see this is the transition, and once you click over here then here you will get an options called motion slide transition. Here we have couple of transition options, you can see it. So choose how on slides move to the next. You can also click on elements, then animate to apply fade in, fly ins and etc. Keep animation simple and smooth for present or professional look. So let's go when we done. So now we need to be share it, or we need someone to collaborate with our slide. Then how we can manage it? So you just need to be click this share button in the top right. Here you can see this is the share button, and you need to be add emails over here to invite collaborators. Choose viewer, commenter or video interaction, whatever you want. Here you can see if I give a name, and here you just need to be choose anything you want. Then or you click copy link to send a shareable link. You can allow work in real time just like in Google Docs. Then just click on cancel and click on done. Then we are going to presenting or exporting. To present you just need to be click on present in the top right for the full screen mode. So here you will get the option for presenter view. You just need to be click over here, and you need to be use arrow keys to move through slides, or you can choose export. You just click over here into the top toolbar and you will choose file. Then you will find options called download. Here you can see these download options, and then you will get option to download is as PDF, as PPTX or PNG image, or you can publish it as a web for shareable presentation link. So let's wrap up it here, and that's your beginner guide to Google Slides in 2025. If you find this video help, and make sure to like, subscribe and comment below if you want more Google workshop tutorials. Then thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.